Now you are watching the automatic manure removal system in operation. Here is the main switch, used to start and stop the equipment. The system uses two independent manure belts on upper and lower levels, each collecting and conveying manure from its tier of cages. You can see the belt moving slowly at about 2 meters per minute, thoroughly cleaning the bottom of each tier, while keeping the belt running smoothly and on track. Above is the second-level belt, also running at low, stable speed to carry manure from the upper cages down. All manure from the upper tiers is transferred onto the main belt at the lowest level. This main conveyor moves the collected manure forward and, through a transverse belt, discharges it automatically outside the house, with no manual handling. The system also includes an inclined conveyor. Along this sloped belt, manure is carried to a designated collection area outside the farm. A dedicated truck can wait here so manure is loaded directly from the belt into bags or truck bodies and taken away in batches, improving efficiency and reducing on-site pollution. Working together, the upper and lower belts, transverse section, and inclined conveyor move all manure safely and efficiently out of the poultry house, achieving automated and cleaner waste handling. With one press of the switch, the system runs continuously, freeing labor, protecting farm hygiene and the ecological environment, and giving users a simple, reliable process for daily management. We supply complete equipment packages to customers worldwide and welcome your inquiries.